Hi everybody, Nancy here from Fancy Nancy Diamond Painting with BB, and Charlie is watching out the window. I got some packages from Amazon.com. I'm trying to order some different, look, this has a zip lock thing. I'm trying to order from different places, some different sizes, to see what's out there. So this says, it's not in metric. It's 11.8 by 15.7 inches. Now, Amazon, a lot of their stuff is sent to their warehouse in the United States. So if you order it, it comes faster. This came, it took about 6 days. I bought it because I really liked the pattern. You can see it's a cross and it has some words on there, and you know, I bought the biggest size I could, which is a 30 by 40. This was as big as it came. I'm not very confident that those words are going to show up. Let me put the original image up for you now so you can see. And we'll just have to find out. Came with a, Charlie, how can I show the people what it came with if you're standing there? Here we go. Came with a green boat tray, a big piece of pink wax, a pen that has a single and it has a 3 on the other side, and some bags. Let me pull the bags out now while I'm thinking about it. I've got to make this package up for my friend Misha. And that means going through all my bags of drills and pulling all the bags out. That's easy enough to do. This is all therapy for my hand as a stroke survivor. So, you know, when I have little things to do like that, like pulling things out of bags, that's just hand therapy. Okay, there are 35 colors, which is nice. Boy, I've got nothing to check off. Let me just go down the list. 152. Gotta put them in order. I do like the colors. There's aqua and blues and pinks. I'm just kind of putting them in some kind of order so I can look for what I need. Next color I need is 154. 8, 7, 6. Move your tail, BB. 8, 7. 37, 74. I'm not putting them perfectly in order, just kind of near where they should go. 842. Let's put the 5s. Ooh! Ooh, almost fell off the bed. 7s, 5, 6, 8. Oh, there's 2 bags of that. I don't quite see the rhyme and reason to this numbering system. Not sure how to tell that I have the right amount other than eyeballing it. Okay, so These are the 3000s. These are the 8s. These are the 7s. 6s and 5s. There's the first one. Is that 999 or 666? 666. That's scary. Maybe they don't have the same superstitions that we have. That's not a number I would include. Like there's no 13th floor on a hotel either. 38. There's a 7. There's a 6. There's a 7. At least these drills look really nice. There's no moisture. Nothing clumped up. 8s, 9s, 8s, 9s, 600s. There we go. 300. There's another bag of those. 152. There should be a 154 right there. A 3. I just put them kind of sort of in order. All the 100s together, the 300s together, so I know where to look for what I'm looking for. 500 and a 300. That makes this part very easy. 154, 159, 164, 304, 310. This doesn't tell me how many I need either, so I really can't tell if I'm short other than something being missing. 327, 371, 535. Get my new Ziploc bag, so we'll just make do with this for now. Can't see. Did all those. Okay. 535 I did. 554. 613, 647, 666, and of course it's red. 677, you know, red, devil, get it? I cracked me up. 703, 718, 720, that's pretty orange. Not a big fan of orange, but that's a pleasing color. Okay, all the 700s are done. What's next? 822. This is that background color. It's a bigger bag. 832. 842. 895. Oh, another 842. 920, 926. 3033. 2 bags of that. 3072. 3328. 3607. 3766. 30. Oh, look at this big bag. That's the background color. Yeah, I was mistaken. Big bag, big long bag. 3774, 3835, and 3853. It's all here. Got no check-in sheet, so So I really don't know if the quantities are correct. So there may be an issue down the line if things are short. One never knows. I do like that they gave the nicer pen in this one. Okay. That's it. And thank you for joining me. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Come join us on our Facebook group. It's very simply Fancy Nancy Diamond Painting. And have a great day. Take care. Bye-bye.